why the contribution of women is not equal in GDP. Because of the job. Because of the job.
I can also nourish my children very well. And why I am doing my job? Because of nourishment my children. Because of nourishment.
Give me any company name. Swag, what?
Your Jiju will not allow to your sister to sell the vegetable.
Will you allow your wife?
Congratulations and a very best of luck. I would say break a leg, guys. Come on, break a leg. Now, break a leg doesn't mean to really break a leg, right? Break a leg means best of luck. So, are you going to rock?
Yes.
That's beautiful. So, are you going to win, guys?
Yes.
Nah, don't win, guys. Win yourself. Come on, guys. What should be our motive of this debate today?
Sir, we should know our mistakes and overcome on our mistakes. Today we will realize what we were making mistake and we will overcome today.
That's fine. Okay, so your motive of this debate is to overcome your mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other motive that we all should have for this debate or in this debate?
Yes, sir. We should be very confident while speaking whatever we are speaking in front of people. We should be very confident.
That's beautiful. Why this topic? Like girls should do job. Like in this 21st century, we are still talking about these orthodoxical things. Why do we need to discuss this topic? Girls should do job or not after marriage?
Because sir, job gives a very limited opportunity to the girls. Girls have a more potential to do other things.
Wow.
Like they can be the leader, they can go into the politics. As we see in 21st century, there are very less representation of women in politics. They can be a businesswoman and they can do reliable thing. As so many people think women are not reliable in business.
That's
and
fine.
that's why they are not making them independent in the business.
That's good. Well, everybody, we should have two aims, guys. The first aim should be developing our skill of speaking, guys. That is the first motive. The second motive should be making people aware, right? Like this topic means that there are so many girls, they are busy in preparing because they want to become job holders. Somewhere it is good, right? Somewhere or the others it is fine to do a job. What if a girl gets motivation to do something else? Like here Miss Anjali told that she can become entrepreneur, she can become leader, she can become politician, she can become even minister. Why not that? So when we are going to discuss here, let us not make fish market here. Let us not shout, how can you say this and that? You can become argumentative, you can become aggressive as well, but let us not make kind of fish market here. Let us not shout a lot. Let us kind of be message nicely so that we could really make people feel motivated. So here Miss Anjali has been nominated a captain of 8 to 10 batch, and here Miss Aarti has been nominated a captain of 10 to 12 batch, right? So who would like to start this session? Who would like to break the ice?
Can I start?
You yourself want to start? Yes. Go ahead. Point must be noted because you all have to ask question after some time. Please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
This is me, Anjali. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Today's topic is, should women do job after marriage or not? I am supporting they should not do job because as I told before, in job, women get a very limited opportunity to enhance their skills, to explore their uniquality. So I want them to be a leader in politics, in business, so that they can encourage other women as well. As we see in Indian politics, there are very less representation of women, as only 33% reserved seat in the parliament. So
Sure. Of course.
If we encourage other women to go into the politics, so that they can be a leader and they can be a bold-hearted and they can set example for other women that yes, you have a potential, girl, stood up for yourself. You can be independent independent, not interdependent on others. So be independent. As we live in our 21st century, now we have only one CM in West Bengal. Why? Because we are not giving chance to other girls to go into the politics. So now,
Fantastic.
so my concern is today. So girls, wake up, do something other
course. Listen,
rather
girls.
than doing only a job. Because you have a potential. You are a Nari of this nation.
Oh,
You can do
excuse
anything. So that we can in future that we can say that there are so many CMs, so there are PM, so many PM of this nation, which is women's. So that's all from me.
Very nice, very nice. So dear Nari, here Miss Anjali has told that don't be bechari, Miss Nari, you must become Prabhari. And of course Bhari for the people. 33% people are in the parliament.
Yes, only women, and it is not filled.
Oh
only
my
less
goodness.
than 33%.
Because of these people, right?
They are going for a job.
A
That's
job,
why.
of course. They are becoming Nokrani, right?
Yes, sir.
Sweeping broom, right?
To become a leader.
Do you have any question, guys? Come on. Do you want to ask? Please go ahead.
I want to become an air hostess. Everyone has their dreams and career. They have rights to pursue their careers. Everyone don't want to become a leader.
Ma'am,
Who are you to decide? Who are you to decide?
because sir, there is a one-term glass ceiling. If you will not break that glass, you will never be a leader in
ma'am,
your life.
I want to-
Glass ceiling means many companies, many people are not giving opportunities to women to go to a top position. That's why I'm saying be independent within yourself.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you talk about leadership. If a woman is an IAS officer, isn't she a leader over there?
Ma'am, according to me, it is not job. It is a service. She is serving the nation.
So she is a leader, right?
She is a leader. That's why I'm saying that is not job. That is a service.
It's a job. It's a job.
What is
ma'am.
job?
It's a job.
Let's
It's a
clear it.
government job.
Let's clear
It's a
it.
government
Ma'am,
job.
let's clear
IS is not job, it's a service.
Again, you guys are making fish market. Don't make fish market. And you have to talk very politely. All right. And Arpita, it's a very humble request to you first off. All right. I mean, you become very bold. MashaAllah, that is okay. And that's the beauty of business, I think, right? Exactly.
This is the beauty
This
of
is a leadership quality.
This is the quality of leadership, of course. No. And let me tell one thing. A person who shares opinions, only he or she can speak. So right now, Anjali can speak from here. All right. If one person shares opinion after some time, then everybody can ask question, right? So please manage that. Yes.
Job means where the salary has fixed according to a month, and you can search on Google. Give me a mobile. You can check it. IS is a job. It is not a service. It is a job. It is not a service.
Job means 8 hours are you duty.
Sir,
Let her speak.
let me clear.
Wait, sir. एक
Sir, let me clear. In job, you have a particular time. 9 to 10, you have to do a job. But in service, you have a 24-hour responsibility to do service for a nation. If I am an IAS officer, I have a responsibility to do my work for a 24 hours, not a very set timing. 9 to 10, I have to do.
Ma'am, it is not necessary that if you are a job holder, you have to do job 9 to 11. If you will not done your work on time, you will have to give extra time. And job means if the salary has fixed according to a month, that is job. And the business it is not when the salary is not fixed, that is a business.
Sir, I respect what you have said, but
Yes,
according
sir.
to me, IAS officer is not a job. It is
According to you, but according the Google and according the people.
Think within yourself.
I am thinking.
IAS officer is a servant of the nation, not a job holder.
I would like to share a statement was given by Dr. Vikas Devikirti, who was the best trainer of IAS officer coaching. He himself said in a conference, नौकरियां बाकी तो सब नौकरियां हैं, नौकरी तो सिर्फ IAS की है. Yes. But this statement justifies that the IAS officer is a job.
He said नौकरी केवल एक ही है, which is IS, and बाकी सारी नौकरियां हैं. Here we are talking about नौकरी is a service.
Please, no, I'm sorry. The next question, please. Okay, she mentioned about limited opportunities. Limited opportunities. What would you like to say? Do you have anything to say about limited opportunity?
Sir, if we talk about limited opportunity, so this is in business, not in job. If you will do job,
Limited opportunities for what?
for, sir, limited opportunities for girls in business. If you are doing if we talk about creativity, so if you are doing business, definitely you have a limited place wherever you do that business. If you are doing job, definitely you will explore the whole world. Wherever you will be deployed, you will explore that things, all the things there.
Exactly.
Day by day you will be maybe 2 or 4 years, after 2 or 4 years you will be transferred another place, you will get more experience.
Nazia,
from there.
wait. Do like this.
So, yes.
Why are you so hesitated?
Yes, sir, after many long.
Be confident, no problem. All right, be confident. Do again like this. Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
Do you have points?
Do you have points?
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
थोड़ा bold होके बोलिए. Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Yes. Can you talk to her?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have a question. She said a slogan. You are the Nari of India. You can do anything. So why not job?
Sir,
if you are Nari of India,
ma'am,
definitely you are very bold.
is my
Ma'am, I am not bounding you to not do job. I am suggesting you, if you go for other thing, you will be more independent than a job, because job gives you a very limited opportunity, ma'am. I have mentioned one term, glass ceiling. In glass ceiling, many companies are not hiring women to be appointed at a top level. It is a reality of this country. Ma'am, you should learn about that. It is a reality.
But ma'am, nowadays is the every sector in the job sector there is a most of opportunity to job, like a girls do job girls. So there is not a limited opportunity. Any sector right now is the army and CRPF. There is all the job sector. There is a girls opportunity to she can do the job.
Ma'am, army and CRPF you have mentioned, this is not job, this is service.
But-
This is a service for the nation. By doing this, girls
ma'am-
can be bold-hearted. They can
Sir,
encourage others.
everything, sir, doing every doctor and all the sector and the private sector, there is a lots of opportunities. She can do job. Every sector you can see.
First of all, double minus. For this thing. Using mobile phone is not allowed. And one minus one.
Sir, that
I have given.
sir, that time person also use.
You guys are using mobile phone
Sir,
to class.
seeing for only for data.
Don't see the data. Data should be from here. Any opinion from this group, please? Who would like to share opinion? Miss Deepti, go ahead. Everybody must listen carefully. Now everybody can speak and talk to her. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, my panelists. So I am Deepti, and today I am favoring girls should have to do job after marriage. So, ma'am, you told that girls should have to go in politics. So every girl is not able to go in politics. This is not so easy to go in politics. So if girls have to be economically independent. Girls have to be economically independent, then and she is not able to go in politics, then this is the only option that girl can do job to contribute her hand economically in her home.
Ma'am, I am talking according to the situation of India. Many girls are not getting chance. Like I want to be into the politics, but my financial condition is not allowing me to go into the politics. So my desire, my pursuing my own desire will be fulfilled. So it will be not good now. My potential is going to be like suppressed. My potential going to be suppressed. Like that's why I'm saying many girls should be encouraged to go into the politics so that they can be example for the other nations.
Exactly. She is saying that they should be encouraged.
Yes, sir.
They are not saying no, they have to. They are suggesting that they should be encouraged to come in the politics.
But all the
Right.
girls literally
बहुत हैरत होती है इस कौम की तालीम और इल्म देखकर, बहुत हैरत होती है इस कौम की तालीम और इल्म देखकर जिस कौम का आगाज़ इकरा से हुई थी. Good morning everyone and good morning sir. Thank you for having me this golden opportunity to present myself in front of you. So today we are gathered here to talk about a girl should do job after getting married or not. So I am favor in girls do job after getting married because you know in our society so many women are not educated. Still they are facing so many challenges like a domestic violence and they are suppressed by someone. So if they will not do job, what will happen in their life and how they are facing challenges and setbacks and hard feeling. And second point is that in our society we saw that so many women are widow, and if they will not do job, how can she nourish their baby? So for the nourishment and for the sake of like a future generation, they have to do work. So that's my point.
Very nice. Any questions from there, please? Come on. No question. Very nice. Other people should have. Go on. Come on.
Yes,
Must go ahead. Yes. First.
Yes. Hi, my name is Jikan Singh. Thank you for giving me opportunity. For giving me opportunity for my argument. Give you in front of you my argument. Thank you. So, ma'am, what's the name? I think you know not means Alisa. Alisa, you're giving me you're giving argument to your widow. Widow, what will you do? Widow. So widow also is the in India, in the all world to NGO help, and then you have the knowledge of the creativity. You start of the making video, you upload your video. You have the creativity, you start with the tuition fee. You have the knowledge, you start with tuition. You have the creativity, you start of the. You can start is the tailor. I think is tailor, sieving. But you have the lots of opportunity. How can you give you argument of the you have notes?
But sir, you have to understand all widows are not educated and they don't want to become an interdependent.
But ma'am, you start the sieving. You don't need to the education. You start of the sieving, not you start of the kutir, a small business. You don't need to the loads of sector. You don't need to the business because you know lights no.
Sir, stitching and embroidery not a job. This is a profession.
What?
Stitching and embroidery not a job.
It's not a job. Right?
Yes, sir.
It's a profession.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm.
Sir.
That is what they are promoting.
No, sir.
That is what they are promoting, right? Yes.
Good morning to all panelists. We are together gathered for debate on the topic of should girl do job after marriage or not, and I am against the girl should not should do job after the marriage. And as per my opinion of this debate of this topic is girls should not do job after the marriage, because the reason behind it, if the girl do job after the marriage, and if he is doing as a black collar job or white collar job, he is always treated as an employee of that organization. And if he start own business, and if she start own business, then and if regardless his business is small or big, he is always treated as the owner and leader of that business, and he create employment opportunity, and in future he is spread of their business and contribute the economic development as well as the infrastructure development also. And
First of all, I'm sorry.
So
you had to ask question and you're giving your opinion.
Yes. Now, why are you?
Now.
Okay. Why are you saying the girl should do job after the marriage?
Because they don't want.
We are not on the mode of debate here. Her point was, future survival after being widow or widower. What would be your answer for this? What is the alternative
And,
if somebody becomes widow?
Yes. And you are saying for a starter business, there are a lot of requirement of money, but there is not matter. She can start his home tuition, as well as he can start tiffin service also if he have the knowledge, and
Sir,
he can.
home tuition is a job now.
And he can start beauty parlor also. There is not requirement a lot of money.
But
Yes.
she is not educated and she doesn't know how to I can make up. So how can she open the beauty parlor?
He can open the beauty parlor
See.
because you are. She can open the beauty parlor because you are already know about it. The government have scheme.
अगर कोई गिर रहा है तो उसे अपनी कंधों से साधो. अगर कोई गिर रहा है तो उसे अपनी कंधों से साधो. वुमेन शुड डू जॉब आफ्टर मैरिज. इस नाम से उन्हें खूंटों से मत बांधो. Ma'am, my point is that my question is that you are talking about women should do job. Like why job? Why job?
Why not job?
Because of independent, no?
Yes,
The reason
sir.
is that independent, not the reason is that money. Reason is that money. Money. You can earn money by the anything, by business, by entrepreneur, and
But
you can.
point is that for a widow, she is not able to start her business.
You can take loan by the government.
Because she is widow
If
now,
you have no
they
money, you
don't
can
have
take.
support.
Sir, everyone doesn't work for earning money like APJ Abdul Kalam was doing, and his passion was being, he wanted to become a scientist, and he served the nation. And everyone doesn't work for earning money. He said everyone, the purpose of doing job is earning money. If I want to become an IAS officer, listen, let me speak.
The outcome of a job. The outcome of job is getting money.
No, sir, everyone doesn't. Sir, if I want to become IAS officer, I want to serve the nation being an IAS officer. So it doesn't mean that I want to become IAS officer for earning money.
Sir, first of all, you need to understand IAS officer is not a job.
Sir,
it's
job
a service.
is a job. I
Listen to me.
have showed you. Sir, I have showed you. First of all, check.
Sir.
First of all, check, sir. First of all, check. Sir, Indian Administrative
Sir,
Service,
please,
I know,
sir.
sir, I know.
IAS,
Yeah.
Indian Administrative Service.
Yes.
You know about the full form of IAS?
Yes, I know,
Indian
brother.
Administrative Service. What's about mean service?
Let him make him understand, man.
My brother said that the woman whose husband leaves because of any reason, so she start a business. She start anything. She can start anything, but who will give her loan to start a business? And yeah. So who will lead her to tell? Who will lead?
She herself will lead her.
No.
What is the point here?
No.
Actually, sir,
So innocent point.
he wants to say,
Maximum of the women has no experience.
Come on.
actually he wants to say कि who will lead her like to getting, you can say, loan from the bank. Because if she doesn't have knowledge about just, you can say, for getting loan, so how can she get loan from there,
Sir,
from
if you
kind of
suppose
bank?
we are on the Mars, then you are supposing what is this if? If yes, suppose she doesn't know. If what is if, man?
You know, sir. No. You know.
If.
I want to say no. So according to, you can say, data, 75% women in kind of village areas, they don't have knowledge. And he is talking about that kind of women. He my brother. He is talking about that kind of women. Like if that kind of woman becoming, you can say, widow, so what she can do? And he's saying, my brother, he's saying before some time, he said she can, you can say, take loan from the bank. But for getting loan, there are lots of kind of dalal, available in loan, brokers. And when you will go for taking loan, that time they can say, first of all, you will have to give
5,000, 10,000 and 15,000 money, then after that I will approve your loan. I will get approved your loan, so you can get. But according to that data, as I said, 75% people
For selling tea.
for selling tea. Okay.
Yes,
Sir. Okay.
You should be sorry for
No. Okay, sir. For selling tea,
Of course.
for selling tea.
Do you know the meaning of survival?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of survival?
I know.
What is the meaning of survival?
Survival, I can tell you. Listen to me.
Please.
In my building where I am living in this time, there is one woman. Kind of her husband, he is, you can say, drinker, and he drinks a lot every day, and he just comes home, and after that he starting scolding and just abusing language, and her, you can say, she has 3 and 4 children, and the children is just, you can say, a little bit kind of not very grown. So for the surviving, she is doing job outside.
Is it a definition of
No,
survival?
outside. I'm saying, and she is cleaning vessels, sir. Listen to me. Listen to me, sir. Just listen to me. She is cleaning vessels.
Yes. Yes, sir. So
She is cleaning vessels. Why? Why she cannot open, you can say, a tea stall? Why? Because she is thinking, if I am just opening a tea stall, so suppose ki I went for my, you can say, doing job outside. I go for doing job, you can say, with a tea stall. So what can be do for what I can be do my, you can say, children's? Because my children that time they will be alone.
Please.
first of all, you know about the procedure of the loan, woman.
Yes, sir.
You are saying ki 5,000, 10,000 are dalal. It is not procedure. First of all, any woman will be go in a
Yes, sir.
state bank manager can, because India government provided 1 lakh to 1 crore for every woman loan for the entrepreneur.
Use a broker there.
Yes, sir. So why?
Condition? On which kind of condition?
Which kind of condition? Only you have need of Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your. Yes, sir. They have no condition, sir. Definitely.
For just Aadhaar card, PAN card, it is not reality.
Yes, sir.
That is must be you have kind of some of the property.
As well as India government provided skill development. Yes, sir.
Some of the, you can say, extra things, so that according to that things you can get loan.
Note, sir. This is not only Aadhaar card, PAN card, as well as your domicile certificate. And India government provided a skill development program.
Wait, 3 people's opinions from this thing.
So I am in favor of women should not do job after marriage. So why I am saying this? Because we should promote women to do business. Because when women do business, then she is making his own identity in our society.
Her own identity.
So, her own identity. Because if we take example, Indira Gandhi, if she became a prime minister, that time she ruled all in our India, and they set a good example. So if we motivate the girl to do job, so how can we grow our India? So we should motivate to do business. We should motivate to do entrepreneurship. We should motivate to.
You guys have only one point, repeating the point. Talk something else. Talk something special. Shivanta wants to say something.
You guys only talk about the job, to go outside and do job and make money. Why do we don't talk about the home chores and also make money? If everyone do job and make money, then who can do a house chores? And we can also with the doing house chores to make money, we start a YouTube channel and show them skills and make a money. It is also important. And when our mother do the same thing, she do making food and create a good ambience, we can proudly say my mother balanced everything. So why do shameful to doing the same thing? We should proud of it. We should make a money to doing house chores. We should make a money to doing every show them skills. So it is also important, make a home, make a good ambience for a family to live with them.
That's it.
Wait, we need one more opinion.
Three opinion.
One more opinion.
So I would like, yes sir. I would like mention 2 points. In my opinion, I'm against this. Yeah, 2 points. So
2 points.
yeah, points. Sir.
2 points.
2 points. So yes, sir. First of all, workload. If any woman will be go working in a company,
If any woman goes
goes in a company for working, so she will spend 8 or 10 hours. After that, she will come at home and he will work.
She will work.
Yeah, she will work in a house of chores work. So that is a workload on head. And second is a patent leave. After that.
Which leave?
So
Maternity leave.
maternity leave. So sorry, sir.
Maternity leave.
Maternity leave.
She can get.
Yes,
she
sir.
can get-
A private company only provide 45 days or 60 days leave. It is not enough for every woman because Ministry of Health Affairs said कि 6 month minimum for recover every woman. So in my opinion, sir.
Have you done, sir?
Yes, sir.
First of all, the first question should be asked to Savita. Who would be asked? Okay, Kazma wants to. Come on.
Good morning, my panelists. My name is Kazma Anjum. Like Savita said, like if a woman are doing a job, so she can't able to do house chores. Who will be doing the house chores of the home? It doesn't mean that we are doing our job, we are not capable to household chores. Like Anjali said, we are Nari. We are Nari, so we are Sappe Pari. There is the only one thing, only women are capable to manage a dual thing in a one time. Don't underestimate the power of woman. She is able to do the dual work in a one time.
So it's also, I say, you can make money to live with home and do a chores. We also say, if you have a skill, you don't do a job to do a job under anyone.
She is doing a work, so it doesn't mean she is not able to do house chores.
I can't say it. I
No,
say you
say
can
like
earn
this.
money to do
She
with
can
doing.
do work while staying at home. It doesn't mean she is not able to do.
Why do job to do take under anyone? You make your own. You make your own. If you make home, what is shameful on it? If our mother do, we don't say it. We proudly say it. Why it's the same on it? If you do house chores, why? It is also a good things to do.
Do you know, ma'am, when women work, they contribute the GDP and the overall all the household chores income and the overall economic improving and the quality of the life for their families are also like growing. And while doing the girls' job, the economic also enhanced.
But
so why you are stopping? The
No,
girls'
I don't
job?
stopping. I am not stopping. I also say that.
Ma'am, let me
Okay,
complete.
say.
Why you are only targeting girls to do all the household chores?
First-
Why partner all? Yes.
That is not the point. She mentioned about YouTube channel.
What about the girl's dream, ambition? If I want to become a software engineer, so why I need to, after getting married, I do all the household chores, starting vlogging, guys, look this my house.
Okay, and I want a master chef, and I have a skill on cooking.
It's depend on the personal choice.
So it's a personal choice. You say it, so it's my personal choice to do.
One second. There is also available for the company also provide the remote job, work from home job. While doing job, they can take care of their child or the household.
My question is that why do
If you're software engineer, this is what she is trying to say. If you're
Yes.
software engineer and you have a skill, you can show your skill.
Yes.
Why YouTube channel?
You can,
Why to become job holder to show your skill?
Sir, you
Are your ambition can be used by showing your skill.
sir,
You can
sir, my
create.
point-
You can create. You can
Yes.
create your own software.
You can
make
create-
your own software.
you can create your
become
own
freelancer.
platform.
My dream is do job in a Google, do job in
Yes, so you can create your own platform, and then the CEO of Google search you for their work.
Whoa!
And platform.
Whoa! You can make your own site.
Yes.
You can
so
make.
much platform.
Of course. If Chrome is existing, you can make Artimom, any other site. Of course.
WhatsApp, there are
You
so
can
many
create your own
platforms.
site.
WhatsApp, Insta,
You should salute your skill. You should not be a job holder.
You don't.
What about all the company? They provide the facility to the like a maternity leave and the
Yeah, that's my point. That's my point. You take a maternity leave.
What, Jajwal sir, if I create my own Chrome website, so what about
YouTube channel
Yes.
and how to maternity leave. Why are you talking
So,
about maternity
so
leave?
the company also.
Sir.
Provide the other platforms. Sir, I have
Sir.
a question for Vijay sir.
Sir.
Sir, I have a question for Vijay sir. Vijay sir, maternity leave provide 8 and it is provided 8 pre and 18 posted. After
That's
that,
why job is not good.
no sir. Sir, maternity leave is wait. No sir, I will clear my points. Because of maternity no 6 months. Ma'am, do you know about CL, SL, PL? Lots of
Ma'am, give me. She is saying pre-leave and then after that as well. Ma'am, just imagine one girl is working in Welltalk Institute. I am giving leaves. How can I grow my company? How can I grow my company?
One day Welltalk definitely will be closed.
That's why job is not good, guys. Come on.
companies also provide the work from home, ma'am. Maternity leave when you are not feeling well, company provide the work from home and they give the. Do you know about the labor law? You should study that.
Ma'am,
Then
all
you
work is
should
not.
talk about the point. I am speaking the reality of the country.
Yes.
You don't know.
Ma'am, this formula working from home came after COVID-19. Of course. Yes. You should talk to this boy, smiling person. Hello, Mr. Vijay Mallya. What do you want to say?
You are saying कि company provided work from home.
Yes.
All work not you
Cannot be provided.
Cannot provided.
Of
ma'am.
course, public speaking can be provided.
Listen, ma'am. Ma'am,
She is saying that public speaking is not a job. Ma'am, if I'm hiring you here as a trainer, you are going to be a public speaking trainer. I'm hiring you. You are a public speaking trainer. You are a public speaking trainer. I'm talking about public speaking. Public speaking is actually a duty. No. I'm talking about trainer actually. Training I'm talking about. Hello. Have you discussed? Opinion, 3 people's opinions from this.
सह पाओ अगर प्रतिघात मेरा, मुझ पर आघात तभी करना, भयभीत पराजय से हो यदि रण की शुरुआत नहीं. So, thank you having me here as a panelist in this panel. Before gearing up, I would like to thank everyone and thank you. So, I'm in the favor of girls should do job after married. And I want to tell you, after married, IAS, and you are saying that IAS, it is not service and servant, both are equal. Firstly, I want to tell you, job and service both are equal. You can go, you can check, you can, everything, I will prove you, you can do. I will prove you. So, in India, we are democratic country. In Indian, we are democratic country. Girls, approx 48%, 49% in India, they are girls and 49%. And in Indian GDP, they are donating 18%.
Yes.
In India, they are donating 18% GDP of whole country, and whole world they are donating 37% for the GDP. And you are saying that if any one girl want to become a scientist, any girl want to become a IAS officer, she want to become a Tina Dabi, she want to become a Roshan Jacob. So what kind of, she kill their dreams, she will kill their desire. So what she can do? And if anyone girl, she want to become a Arunama Singhvi, who is the Arunama Singhvi. She is a kind of Indian IIM. She is a officer of military officer. So what she can do? So they have a own desire. If we will go in a sector of medical sector, lots of girls and scientists sector, Madam Curie, you cannot forget their what he donate for country, for nation. Means every girls have doing and they are doing job, so they can do definitely. And that's enough, sir. If anyone have a question, yeah, definitely you can counter. I will today reply you.
By job 18% GDP, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I want to share my.
No, I'm not saying that 18% by job only. We saw that, I saw that in country 18% they are donating, means girls they are donating.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you, Kaf sir, for letting me to speak. For letting me speak on such a crucial topic. So I am going to talk about women should do job after the marriage. In India, we believe that if a baby girl born in Indian family, we consider her as a Lakshmi. But what we do after the marriage? If our sister do job, then it is good. But if our wife do job, it is not good. Is it our mentality? And my second point is, men and women both are two wheels of a vehicle. If one wheel will be punctured, vehicle will not work. Same. If women do not do job, society will not develop. The mentality of society will be not developed. That's my point.
I want to ask the sir. Sir, what is your good name? Anshu sir. Sir, you have mentioned that the female population of India almost equal to man. 49% almost. Yeah.
Approx.
So why the contribution of women is not equal in GDP? Because of the job. Because of the job. Because job holders contribute only 80% in GDP. 18% only in GDP.
And if they do? If they do business?
Listen, ma'am, listen.
If they do explore other thing, if they do business, if they do other thing, they will
80.
Yes, sir, 80%.
Yes.
You have done your thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, I told you, girls, everything she is doing business, she is doing job, they are donating 18%. Means they are doing business. If you will go and check your data of 2014, only in sorry.
That's why I'm saying, sir, the population of females are equal to men.
It is the reason of uneducation, ma'am. It is not the reason of job.
Why their contribution is not equal to men? If they...
I want to tell you, ma'am, it is not a kind of what you...
Nothing. Next question, please.
Nawaz
You talked about the both are vehicle. It's mean both wheel. Wheels. Do you know if you are not nourish your children, so what do you? So what the benefit to your job? What is the benefit of your money?
I mentioned about society. We need to develop the mentality of a society. That's why girls should do job.
No, sir. I think, according to me, it is not compulsory for the doing job. She also can do at work from home. Anything.
Work from home.
Suppose if anyone village girls, they do many parents do not allow to go to job. Sir,
that's the mentality. That's the mentality. I want to change it. That's the mentality. That's the mentality. I want to change it.
Sir, that's why she can starting the on your home tuition, sir, and she can. No, sir, listen, and yes, sir, and she can also start the on your tuition, and she teaches.
If she is uneducated, yes, what happened? Like many of the women in village, they are not educated.
Sir,
bro,
listen,
I am talking to him. I am talking to him. After him, you can talk. You can talk to sir.
Yeah, sir. If I'm talking like village, okay. Yeah, yes, sir. He said like that. Ki, what about the who women, who girls? They do not educated. Sir, do you know like in like a village, there are lots of fields, sir. We can do, sir, on your agriculture. Do you know, sir? Right now, vegetables are so expensive. We can sell, sir, and we can also start on your business, sir. And sir, dairy farming also, sir. Sir, yeah, dairy farming also.
Every business, sir.
No. She can start and she can, sir, help. No, sir, she can do.
Wait, give me microphone.
Sir, if a village woman...
And sir...
Ma'am, wait, swag, what?
Your Jiju will not allow to your sister to sell the vegetable.
Sir,
will you
listen.
allow your wife to do job to sell vegetables?
No, sir, listen.
Ma'am, your name is Dia. You should start your own aviation industry. Like Dia.
If it's
Dia,
not about...
And Dia, listen, ma'am, let me. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. Ma'am. And ma'am, you should hire the girls from UK for your industry. That's best point.
If I want to become air hostess, so what's you?
Ma'am, if you will start your own aviation
It's
industry,
not-
you can give more opportunity to the girls. You can empower to the girls. You should change your mentality.
Of course, we have got answer. Please have a seat. We are not talking about Indian girls, yaar. We are talking about just girls, right? It's not about Indian girl, American girl. Yes.
If you are getting of your desired job, okay, hair hostage or anything else, if you want, but you have to think about it. What we will do after your death? Okay, then your children cannot be survived. But if you have an entrepreneur and if you are doing any business, then your business can be transferred to your children or daughter.
Government job pension comes. They can
But today is not pencil allowed.
If you build a job, how you give a moral of your children?
Sir, there are a lot of companies who provide to part-time job. So in this way, I can also nourish my children very well. And why I am doing my job? Because of nourishment my children. Because of nourishment.
Give me any
my
company
children.
name. Tell me any company name.
Many companies, sir. Many companies. Yes. There are many companies who provide.
No.
There are many companies. And even call center, sir. Even call center.
From everyone to everyone.
I would like to mention, guys, you are talking about business, but still we are talking about job. You are changing, when we are sharing our opinion, you are changing like a job. Nowadays in India, girl cannot job because of people. So that's why
Cannot do job.
they cannot do job in India. So that's why we are conducting this debate. I think, sir. No? Yes, sir. So you are mentioned. They cannot do anything after getting married. But you are saying they are doing job. They can do business. What is this?
Sir, we are living 21st century, sir.
Talking about
Sir, it is time to become not a servant. It is time to become a king.
Listen to me, sir. Listen
Yes, sir. It is time to become a king, not a servant. You listen. If you are under the anyone, listen. If you are under the anyone under the come of listen, sir, you are so burdened, and you will work.
You are. Sir, they are like a narrow-minded
This
person.
is my word, sir.
Wait, Neha wants to say something.
In my opinion, they should not do job because while everyone is mentioning here that they are interdependent, like they are dependent on their husband, on their brothers, their father.